Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I create art from Microsoft Word Office shapes. If you find any of this content useful, please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rivet. Go Insert, Shapes. Okay. Just going to pull this in. Give it some gray fill. Outline could be darker. And I'm just going to change the weight to a lower thickness. Also going to change it to fixed position so it's easier to move around. I'm going to go into Shape Fill, Gradient. And I'm just going to move this out of the way. Shape Fill, Gradient. I'm just going to find a gradient. Use the corner one. Now I'm going to Shape Format, second icon, and for the bevel, I'm going to choose the last one on the first row. And I'm going to put this to 17 points. This will stay at 6. Okay, we have a neutral color. Let's move that to 60. Off to the side. For the lighting, let's explore the other ones. I use balanced. So for our material, it's a dark edge. For our lighting, it's a 3-point shape outline. Let's just go here. Let's put this to 25. Okay. Maybe a little bit lighter. Okay, now shape, shadow. Try to find a good shadow here. Let's take this middle one. And then we're going to go into the format shapes. Go to shadow. Increase the size or decrease the size. Just kind of want to make it look like a rivet point. Transparency. Like that. The rivets are going to be smaller. Just make it lighter here. And make it the same size. 0.86. Now we can just go back here. Shape options. Could increase the brightness. This middle one, make it lighter. Like that. Shape outline, let's see if we can do it without a shape outline. That works. Shape options. And for the shadow, okay, making it a bit lighter. Some blur. Distance. 1 point. Just see if that reflection. Move that reflection. And the width maybe. See if we increase the contour. I want to get rid of that little white spot there. Back. Shape options. Okay, I may have to change the material because I don't like that little line there. Or the lighting. Okay, that's a bit better. And I'm just going to increase this. Maybe the color, bring it down a little bit. And for the shadow, bring it in a little bit more, like that. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching.